Hey, good morning, everyone. Two-lane life here. We're headed on the 40. We're going to catch the 35 and head towards St. Louis, Missouri. Lance, what a morning, huh?
Oh yeah, this morning is great. You know, I just love this time of day, and you know, going through these cool towns. We end up back on Route 66. I love it.
Yeah, we'll get over out of the city here, and then we'll be able to find that sucker, and we'll climb on down and see some of the great areas. Here we come, 44, 66. Wow, so what a run so far this morning, huh?
Oh yeah, great morning. I love it. Love going through these towns, man. There's nothing better.
We're in this little town of Chandler, just south of Shroud, about 20 miles. And we're going to burn through here, but what great scenery. The leaves are falling on the road, and we're whipping those up, and it's just amazing right now.
Oh yeah, I'm digging it. I mean, watching the leaves fly up from underneath your bike. I mean, can you imagine what it was like back then when they started building this town?
Well, this would have been filled with old cars and, well, then I guess new cars, but all these little storefronts, and this is how small farms used to be, farm country, like the Lincoln County Farm Bureau.
Oh yeah, you know, I love this. This whole adventure has been like being in a time capsule, going back in time, and that's what the thrill's about.
Phillips 66. Old gas station right there.
There's plenty of gas stations all along this route, and they all have some kind of neat history behind them.
Lots to see, and trust me, these roads are great to ride on.
Oh yeah, check out the Oklahoma red dirt on that car.
Oh, for sure. The red dirt. Look at this. Yo.
Oh man, I love these leaves. I love watching them fly up from under your bikes. Fall is great.
All right, well, let's work our way to Shroud. I think there's probably a few good sights to see there as well.
Oh yeah, man, the sights never end. This is great.
See you on down the road. Well, we're rolling through the town of Davenport, and I don't know if you know this, but in 2011, Betty Thompson was Miss Oklahoma, and she was first runner-up for Miss Universe. So a town that's not that big put someone up in the spotlight. Pretty cool.
So again, another great thing along Route 66. We're in Shroud, and it's a beautiful little town, and we run into some people that have a lot in common with us.
Yeah, we're here at the Rock Cafe. This cafe was built by rocks that were unearthed when they were building Route 66. So pretty iconic, pretty epic. And while we're here, we met some great people. And you know, we love people that serve our country, and we want to thank you from Two Lane Life for your service to our country. Where are you all from, and where are you headed?
We're all members of the Arkansas 7-7 chapter of the Combat Veterans Motorcycle Association. We're here from Northwest Arkansas. Kind of rode a big long loopy square from Northwest Arkansas down through Texas and back up into Oklahoma.
I heard there might have been some hurricane weather.
There was. We were going to take a left and instead we took a right.
Fantastic.
So,
well, things that happen on the road, you just never know, right?
Yeah. And if you're absolutely tied to a route, you're probably not going to have as much fun as you are if you'll just go with it.
Absolutely. We
That's
agree
our
with
motto.
that 100%. Well, thank you all and appreciate your service, and thanks for being in our vlog.
And one real cool thing is this is America. Come out and see it.
So we're here around Bonita at the Highway Cafe in Oklahoma, Route 66. There you go. Josh is having a little grub. What you got, buddy?
Got a little taco salad, pretty good.
Taco
Avocado.
salad in Oklahoma?
That's what you do.
Whoa. What do you got, Chief?
BLT. I guess that's nationwide.
That is nationwide. I've got the cheeseburger and some fries. We got some fry sauce, some ranch. Things are going down over here. Whoa. Well, that was good. Had a nice lunch. Getting back on the road. Here's Big Cabin Creek. We're just coming into Bonita. And the goal is to get to St. Louis. I think we've said that maybe a few times. Looks like we'll be arriving around 6 o'clock tonight, which is cool. We're at 672 feet above sea level, which is interesting because we feel like we've been up higher than that in the hills. So interesting there, and it's about 86 degrees. So it's a nice weather, nice day. You know, just trolling these backcountry roads has been awesome today. Had a couple people said they saw us outside of Chandler, Oklahoma. Good to see that. Stay tuned, have a good ride with us into St. Louis. Well, here we are in the small town of Lebanon, Missouri. So, got some great places here. There's some murals back at the park. This town sits at about 1,260 feet above sea level. It's 83 degrees out. We're enjoying the ride. We're just skirting the 44. And we'll get back on that so we can make up a little bit of time. But in these small towns, pretty cool. Lance is back there getting shots of the signs, and
I'm just having fun back here.
good times had by all. I didn't know how nice Oklahoma and Missouri were.
Oh yeah, I mean Oklahoma and Missouri are actually turning out to be some exciting and beautiful spots for me.
Although that toll road 44 in Oklahoma, I didn't get that. I don't think we paid any tolls.
I don't think, I know we didn't pay any tolls.
All right, well, we'll see what happens. Check you out. Need to check the map. So, what just happened? We're just outside of Richland. Rollo's just a little bit away as well, but we find this old bridge off of Route 66, and what happened?
I mean, think about it. We're cruising down the road. It's the golden hour. We see this turnoff, which is right there, and we go on to the turnoff, and there's this bridge that is amazing. Old bridge. It's closed down. We're like, let's get the drone out and get some shots because this is epic. We actually can't get on the bridge because it's got poles that are blocking it out. But so we get up to it. Josh is flying in and out, back and forth of the bridge. Well, you got to turn these sensors off that guide the drone from danger spots. So he's flying through the bridge, and on the way out on one of the passes, he clips a sign, and boom, the drone just spins out but saves itself. Pretty dang funny.
Hey, time out. You're not supposed to tell him that. That's for the blooper reel. Well, it is pretty trippy that, you know, it actually corrected itself.
Well, hey, the good thing is the drone survived.
Yeah, risky flying amongst signs, you know. When you turn off your indicator to help you move around obstacles, that's what you end up with. But yeah, epic, and the sun setting, you can see in my mirrors, it's just crazy.
The magic golden hour, we dig this. I mean, perfect weather, perfect lighting, and hey, it's fall, so the colors are excellent.
I'll tell you, there's only one thing I could ask for. Being with my bro.
You got that right, brother.
Hey.
This is the best, and we're living the best, living the dream. Let's go.
You know what? That's what happens when you go out and find places. So we'll see them all down the road. We're going to get into St. Louis and bed up for the night.
St. Louis, here we come.
All right, we'll see you down the road. Well, let's get over to the 44 and get into St. Louis. But look at this. I mean, look at, beautiful. We get changes the colors a little bit. I have some deciduous trees in the front yard, so do you. But nothing where we start to see color. And we really haven't even seen color like in New England or in the forestry in like Utah. We're gonna have to put that on our 2021 ride.
I already have that on my list, brother.
Mine too, later.
All right, so we're just cruising down the road. We're going to end up in Missouri tonight, which is great. So looking forward to that. Tomorrow we're going to head into Illinois. And guess what? We're going to be in Chicago, the end of our journey. So we will see you down the road.